Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about my first week experience of studying. So let's get right into the video.
Something isn't right.
Here, as I said earlier, I got backlogged due to my procrastination caused by minor fever. It's a normal fever.
And love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight.
In this video, I am trying to complete my leftover lectures. So starting my day with physics, I got notes of basic maths which I am going to revise, and it took hardly 15 minutes.
Not on my own, but I feel it sometimes. Wondering what should I do for reasons.
So from the mistake that I have done earlier, I got to learn a lot of things. Firstly, be with the class from now on and never lag behind. And unfortunately, if you got a backlog, don't panic. There's no point in taking a stress. In my case, I have done a mistake, but the good thing about all this is that I know I have made a mistake and want to correct it. So I have to be calm, be patient, so that everything will be fine.
I'm wasting no time, I'm losing my mind, here till the day I depart.
Secondly, don't be in a hurry now. Don't think that you can complete your backlog within a day. It will take time, but if you will keep following things properly, it will get cleared soon.
Passion is gone.
And thirdly, take up one chapter at a time. Don't juggle around here and there. Don't get confused with questions like how to start, from where should I begin. Start with your favorite subject. If you love biology the most, then take up the easiest lecture left and start solving it. Take your time but solve the material honestly. I am saying to start off with the easiest and a favorite topic because this will give you confidence, and once you become confident, you can do anything or probably most of the things.
Don't know what's wrong, but something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion is gone, and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. Not on my own, but I feel it sometimes. Wondering what should I do for reasons unknown. I don't need to decide. It's true that I don't have a clue. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. I'm wasting no time, I'm losing my mind, here till the day I depart. Don't know what's wrong, something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light.
So for turtles, I have to say that this point is for people who take time while solving a problem. See, if your speed is slow, you will find it difficult to get your backlog completely clear. So there's one thing you can do. It's not a complete solution, but it's surely better than nothing. Firstly, no need to clear the whole backlog. Just take good questions from all the lectures that are left. Most of the people first solve their coaching modules, then move to past year questions, and then other books. This is not the right order to follow when it comes to backlog remover. There you should follow this law. Follow this way to ensure that even if you are not able to get your complete work done, you should at least have all basic concept of those lectures cleared.
Passion is gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart.
So if you find this video helpful, then do subscribe my channel, like this video and share this also. And my next video is based on preparation for the first test of this batch, which is on 11th July. So stay tuned. Bye.